Now look at the fish, it's almost cooked. We put just half of this jar of tomato, vodka tomato sauce. Just a little bit of Alfredo sauce. Mix all together. Sometimes I like to put different flours. I'm going to use the chicken broth, which is a little bit there. Chicken broth, just a little bit. Change the flavor in the pasta tastes so different. Look delicious. Let's cook this for a few minutes, 5-10 minutes. Here's the pasta. It's almost ready. They're supposed to cook the pasta and the chicken together. I'm going to try the pasta. It's just al dente. Perfect to put inside to the pot with the chicken, with the fish, sorry. Here. Let's this cook. Now mix all together. You see, it's look wonderful. And the pasta is going to take the flavor of the chicken and the tomato sauce. Something different. I hope you're going to like. It's easy. Don't take me more than 15 minutes. Not the first time I make this dish. Wow, it looks delicious. You can have any invention, whatever you like to do. I come from the Italian family. And we make pasta anyway, in the way. Usually everyone likes. You can use tuna, chicken, turkey, meat, ground meat. The pasta tastes delicious with everything. You have to try. I'm gonna let this cook for a while. Just like 5 more minutes. You see? It looks delicious. Yeah, I just have here 5 fillet of tilapia fish and just a package of rigatoni pasta. Just a cup of the rocket tomato sauce and 2 spoons of Alfredo sauce. That's it. That's all here. It's not big deal. You don't have to spend too much money. It's something I find in my refrigerator. There we go. Here it is. Now it's time to enjoy the meal. Voila! See you next time. Bye.